Here at AMADA WELD Tech, we put quality first, and to that end, before we ever release a power supply or weld head, it is cycled and cycled 24/7 in our QA endurance lab. Some products in excess of 25 years and 60 million cycles. We use our lab to test our products and ensure we achieve our expected performance over the life of the product and beyond. What you don't see here is a room in excess of 102 degrees Fahrenheit and 39 degrees C. The equipment and room conditions are checked daily to ensure all the equipment is running with no failures and that the room temperature and humidity are maintained. Here is our CDV series, a capacitive discharge power supply we recently released. Understanding that our equipment is used worldwide, we need to ensure that our product can withstand a wide range of operational conditions, accounting for variations in temperature, humidity, duty cycle, rep rate, and much more. Therefore, our tests result in millions of cycles, which at 2 welds per second equates to 4 to 6 months of continuous testing. Should a failure occur, we perform failure analysis, make the necessary corrections, and start the process all over again. Only then will we release the product to our customers. Here you will see another newly released advanced version capacitive discharge product, the CD-A300. You'll notice on the side that we are measuring temperature with thermocouples at various points in the power supply to ensure that we have adequately designed the cooling system. These units, just like the others, will remain running in the endurance lab indefinitely. Now, this power supply has been released for many years now. However, one of our suppliers informed us that the display screens were no longer available. In this specific case, we will test the unit with newly specified screens at ambient temperature, then thermally shock it by refrigerating the unit prior to returning it to the 102 degree Fahrenheit lab. The testing will continue until we confirm our engineering revisions meet our quality standards. In 1994, the Phase Master power supply entered the lab for testing and is still running today. If you happen to be at our facility, feel free to ask us to see it running. So why do we do this stringent testing? Well, only this type of testing will identify the potential failure modes that can occur over time. As we identify the various failure modes and/or, from our point of view, early failures or deficiencies, we can correct and improve the overall durability well before the customer receives the product. You will notice that we actually cycle the units with typical weld forces while energizing the power supplies. This allows us to ensure our electrical conductivity, pneumatics, and mechanical designs can stand the test of time. Identifying failures even after a product is released helps us to improve our existing and future designs. All of this is to share the why and how we test our products. So when someone from our team tells you AMADA WELD Tech equipment will last the test of time like 20 or 30 million cycles, they know what they're talking about because we're proving it here every single day. And of course, all the products you've seen here were designed and built right here in the USA.